just...
Here you go. Hi, this is Charles from Mercy Less Lethal. I've had these for a little while now. This is the Duke Defense Sonic Boom grenades. Basically, it's just a CO2 cylinder in this plastic hard bottle, and it's supposed to be about 130 decibels. So we're gonna set one off and see if they work. This company also makes one that has a pepper powder in it, so when it blows up it disperses a pepper cloud, and we're not going to play with that one, but I just want to check this one out for fun. You ready, camera girl?
Mm-hmm.
All right. That was pretty good.